Baningi abantu abaphila nesifo i-vitiligo esibonakala ngokuthi isikhumba sivele amabala amhlophe. Ingabe sibangwa yini?
The autoimmune concept is favored by many people. But we also know that genetically, it can be hereditary, it can be triggered or caused by environmental factors like stress.
Uzakithi Okhonjo oneminyaka engama-32 ubudala wathola ukuthi une-vitiligo ngonyaka ka-2020 kulandela ukudlula esimeni esinzima empilweni yakhe.
I had just gone through an IVF cycle, in vitro fertilization, and it didn't work. So I was distraught. So I was crying weeks on end. So I think that was my trigger.
Kwakunzima ukwamukela uguquko olwaluza ne-vitiligo, ikakhulukazi ngoba kwakumele abhekane nezinkulumo ezazingezinhle ezazivela kubantu.
Wathi ngeke mina kumele ngiyothwasa. Uyabona nje ukuthi lento kuhambiselana nokuthwasa nje kumele ngiyothwasa zophela. Omunye wathi hayi isichitho bayakuchitha nje ugadi mhlawumbe ukhona lakho nje yabo khona umuntu ofana isichitho and lapho ngangise ngazi ukuthi kuyini. Abanye online bathanda ukuthi uyakrima ngithi ufuna ukuba umlungu awuzithandi ini.
Odokotela besikhumba bathi zonke izinkoleloze abantu abanazo ngalesifo sesikhumba asilona iqiniso.
Asithathelani ngeke umfakele umuntu mawuhlele eduze kwakhe. The other thing is bacabanga ukuthi uma uyi-albino usuke uqale waba ne-vitiligo uqala yabe seyiba worse. Abanye bacabanga ukuthi wenza ukuthi usuke udle something engekho right naloko akulona iqiniso.
Izinsuku ezifana nalezi zisikhumbuza ukuthi ubuhle abukho ekuzifihleni noma ekuzifaniseni, kodwa ubuhle kusekwamukeleni lokho okusenza sihluke kwabanye. Ukwamukela uqala ngokuziqwashisa. Ezindabeni zethu kumzansi wethu Channel 163 nginguNozipho wakwaXaba ngibika ngiseGoli.